Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So we have decided to have a South Indian breakfast today, which is medu vada with peanut chutney. And for that I'm plucking some fresh curry leaves from my curry patta pot in the balcony. And I'm plucking them with just one hand because I'm holding my camera in the other hand. So I'm having some difficulty. And I'll wash the leaves after plucking them. And I had soaked some urad dal last night and it was soaked for approximately I think around 8 hours. Yeah. And here we have some black pepper, some kadi patta and jeera. Hing, which is the most important thing for digestion. Finely chopped coriander leaves and some finely chopped green chilies we have. Now I'm going to put the soaked urad dal in a mixie jar along with some ginger and some chopped chilies, and I'll add the salt accordingly. And I'm making sure not to put the whole urad dal at once, not to grind the whole thing at once because then it will not give me a desired result. And I'm adding some water, very little amount of water, because I want the batter to be really thick and fluffy, not like thin. Just a little amount of water. And my batter is ready, so I'm adding jeera, chilies, black pepper and the curry leaves, and finely chopped coriander leaves also. Some people add onions but I have not, so if you want you can do that. Hing, and I'll be adding a teaspoon of rice flour in this. Now that will act as a binding agent for the vada. And now for the chutney, here we have peanuts and just a little amount of urad dal. Now I'm just heating up some oil. Now here we can see that the batter is really thick and fluffy and nice. It is not watery and thin because then the vadas will not swell and will not become fluffy. And now over here I've taken a steel katori and I'll just dab the back of the katori with some water. I'll put a little bit of batter in it and I'll gently give it a nice round shape with a hole in the center. Just like that. I'll just dab it with a little bit of water. I'll very gently slide the vada in the oil, and I have to be very careful because I do not want the oil to splutter on my hands. It's extremely hot. Now turn the vada and you can see it's coming to a nice golden brown color. Now medu vada takes quite some time to get cooked properly, so I've made sure that I've kept the gas on a low medium flame, and I'll keep turning it so that there is an even color throughout and it is cooked thoroughly inside out. You can see it's a really nice color, and just do it on low flame. The vada will turn out really nice. It will not be raw from inside then. And I'll repeat the procedure again. As the vadas are being cooked over here on the other side of the gas, I'll just heat up a pan. I'm just preparing for the chutney now, the peanut chutney. I'm heating the pan to roast some peanuts. I'll roast the peanuts for around 7 to 8 minutes. And after 5 minutes, we can see that the peanuts have started peeling off, the cover has started to come out, and the color is also turning into light brown. So that is when I know that the peanuts are done. I don't want to burn it. And after taking the peanuts out, I'll just use a silicone brush to oil the pan to get the masala ready for the chutney. So here I'm going to add some mustard seeds and the urad dal and 3 to 4 dry red chilies, as you can see. And after 2 minutes, I'll just put in some long chopped onions with 5 to 6 pods of garlic, and I'll just saute this mixture for around 5 to 6 minutes again. Now the mixture should not get burnt, so you just have to keep mixing it. Now after everything is done, I'll take the roasted peanuts after it has cooled down in a mixie jar along with the masala that we have prepared. I'll add some salt and some water, and I'll just make it into a fine paste. Add water according to the consistency you want for the chutney. Here we have. And for the tadka for the chutney, we'll take some oil. Put some urad dal. This urad dal tadka brings out a really nice flavor for the peanut chutney. Put some rice seeds, which is again really important for this, and some curry leaves. Now let this mixture splutter for a while and just put it in the chutney that we have prepared and just give it a nice mix. And here our breakfast is ready for the day. I hope you guys liked it. If you enjoy it, please like, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.